All right, so what we have here is enough wood and Gary to replace the bridge here. That's all the material I'm going to need. Creamer is supervising. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Look at you. Look at you. But yeah, the hard part is simply going to be clearing all that out. Building the bridge is going to be quite simple. But that represents $411. What? $411? $411 worth of lumber, all treated. And I didn't buy it at Lowe's. I bought it at Carter Lumber here in Byesville, which is much better looking wood than I've ever seen at Lowe's. So that's it. Now we have to unload it and get it stacked up and then figure out what weekend we're going to come out here and tackle this thing. Oh yeah, Creamer guy gets some loving. What a pain in the butt. But yeah, let me get set up here. We'll get this thing unloaded. I'll be back in a bit.
So I'll either catch you on the way there or on the way back.
Yeah.
At 5:30 I called him and I asked him if he was still in the area. He said, no man, we got really busy and he needed my help and I couldn't get over there. Any chance we could do it Friday? Or Thursday? Do it Thursday or Wednesday? No?
Yeah, I didn't even answer this guy back. Didn't even answer him back.
I said, no, we're not there Wednesday because I got plans for Wednesday.
Yeah. I was like, what if I'd taken off of work to be out here to
Well, I
meet
did.
him?
I stayed home.
You know.
I stayed home waiting for the guy
Yeah.
instead of doing stuff with Mr. Letter.
Yeah. Well, you got relatives visiting that you put off. And I don't want to cut this one. I don't know about you, but I'm putting gloves on.
I would if I had some, but since I don't.
Well, I got a pair right up there on the deck.
Okay. You are recording, right? I
Yeah.
want to put it back on.
Oh shit, I forgot to turn the camera on. Load it back up. It's funny you should ask that. Alright, so everything's unloaded. You get to see that. You see the size of that drill bit I bought? They didn't have any smaller, one big enough but smaller than this. It's 16-inch, half-inch drill bit, and 10-inch bolts to bolt all the framing together. Those bolts were $2.80 each. So I mean, lumber prices may have come down a little bit, but holy crap, everything else up. But there they are. And I love my truck, I'm telling you. That's why you buy a pickup with an 8-foot bed. Because I put those 16-inch boards on there, or 16-foot boards and 12-foot boards on there, and never had a problem. It was a piece of cake. But that's the new bridge. I'm anxious to get it up. There's going to be another week before Gary is available. But that gives me time to get all that old crap cleared out. And it shouldn't take us but 4 or 6 hours maybe to build the new bridge going in there. And that's phase one. that's the start of everything. Well, look at that sky. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. But I'm gonna mow up around the cabin right now, mulch up all the leaves. And then this weekend, Gail wants to come out. So I'm gonna leave the rest of it for her to ride on the mower. I use the hand mower up there, push mower. And we'll get that done. I'll be back. Alright, I don't know, I haven't looked at the video. I don't know if you guys saw what I hit over there, but it stopped. I know you heard it. It stopped that mower right now. And I hit a chunk of root that was sticking up. I had to pry the blade to get it out. I couldn't do anything. And I knew for sure I busted the shaft, busted the blade, did something. And when I finally got it out, the second pull it started and I finished cutting. The whole time I was trying to get that thing unstuck, I was thinking, well, broke this mower, time to get another mower. That's a craftsman for you. I was impressed with that. I started it, you saw, I finished right on mowing everything. It's incredible what the punishment that thing took when it got lodged in that piece of root that's sticking up out of the ground. I couldn't see it because it was covered with leaves and grass, but just incredible. And it didn't mess up the blade. That's what, I mean, even prying it out of the wood, it didn't mess up the blade. It still mulched everything. So keep that in mind, folks, when you buy a used lawnmower, buy something good. You know, that's a 20-year-old Craftsman that was built with steel. That's why I took that punishment. But I'm done with mowing. I'll be back. And there's Creamer, still loving his cat tree. I came in. This is where he was. He ate. When I was up there waiting on Gary, we walked down here and he was sleeping in his cat tree. And that's where he is now. What a mess. But now let me leave my hardware in here. I'm gonna cover up my lumber. But I know you wanted to see Creamer. I gotta show him in his cat tree. Hey, buddy. Say hi to everybody. What a kitty. I gotta go to work, bud. Later. Well, as you can see, I got this part mowed and ready for Saturday. That way Gail can mow down there with the riding mower while I'm trying to clean up where we're going to build the barn and just concentrate on weed eating. And I don't have to do this up here. I'm telling you, I love that molting mower. Remember, it's just solid leaves. And that thing took care of it. A couple of additions you might notice that I brought out this week. These chairs, Gail found at Lowe's. They had a big stack of them. They were dusty and dirty and ugly looking. They said they found them in a warehouse somewhere. $10 each. They originally were $100 and some. They had them for $10. We got 2 of them. They were going quick. But those are nice. Those are nice to chill out here. And we're going to enjoy them. The second thing I brought out for me, for when I'm cooking out here, this will help a lot. I brought the grill. We have another one at home, so I brought this one out here to use. I'll fill up my tank and bring it out, and that'll last me cooking for a while. Even in the rain. I don't have to worry about coming out and trying to build a fire. I can cook on the grill. But yeah, this is, I don't know if I mentioned it, Wednesday, October 13th. I'm going to try to get this video edited up and let you know I'm going to try tonight at 8 o'clock to have a live stream. I wanted to do it from inside the barn, but I don't, you know, I brought everything except that power station. I can't believe I forgot that. So I'm going to try to get back into wheeling in time and get this uploaded and do the live stream from there. But yeah, this is, oh yeah, my name is Joe. I'm out here at the off-grid cabin at St. Bernard Acres. And I am finished for the day. That was a lot of work. Going and getting that lumber, unloading it. It was really hard work getting Gary lunch. I bought him lunch. And then getting all of this mowed. But it was a lot of fun too. This is Joe out here at St. Bernard Acres. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Got a giveaway going on. Getting ready to do another one. So you want to watch for that. I'm going to try to do a live stream tonight. If not, I'm definitely doing my regular one on Saturday night. And that's about it, folks. God bless y'all. God bless America. Let's save America while we can. I'm out.